Welcome to City Grilling. My name is Rob Vore. This episode, I'm going to do something, I don't think I've ever done this one before. It's a lamb shoulder chop. So I got this lamb shoulder chop from the grocery store, and I made a marinade with some olive oil, garlic, salt, pepper, and some rosemary, right? So actually, I'll just take one of these chops, stick it in my container here. I'm going to pour some of this marinade on top, just like so. Grab the other one, do the same. All my garlic's coming in now. I put extra garlic in here. It's about 4 cloves, but I like extra garlic. So I'm just gonna smear this around on here. And I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator, let it marinate it for at least an hour. And actually, I think I'm gonna do this overnight and cook this on the grill tomorrow. I'm gonna rotate this meat every, I don't know, several hours. Maybe every 6 hours or something, just to help get it all well marinated, right? So let this sit in the fridge, and then we'll come back and get it on the grill. Okay, I'm out on the grill. About 400 degrees in the grill right now. So I'm gonna take these shoulder lamb chops and just put them in here to marinate overnight. That's great. Woo, look at that, that's beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and pour this garlic and rosemary, garlic, and salt and pepper on here. It's gonna flame up, that's fine. Oh, that'll be delicious. I'll watch this, you know, it's not gonna burn it or nothing. Just go like that. Oh, that's beautiful. It smells wonderful. I have some garlic potatoes to go with this. That's gonna be delicious. So get ready to cook this for about maybe 3 minutes on this side. I'm gonna flip it, do another 3 minutes, 7 minutes total, maybe 10 at max, and then we'll take it inside. Okay, it's been 7 minutes. I flipped them, of course. The chops look really good, tender. I'm gonna plate them up here on my board. This one got a little bit charred there, a little bit, just because of the flames, but I was watching it. Very salvageable. I'm gonna take them inside, cover them up for about 5 minutes, then get ready to eat. Okay, I brought in the lamb shoulder chops. They look delicious. They smell wonderful. I tinted it up for about 5 minutes with aluminum foil. I'm ready to plate it up. I'm gonna go ahead and take this one and put it on my plate here. I have some spinach, some garlic, baked potatoes, and broccoli. This is gonna be delicious. I can't wait to dig into this meal. Smells wonderful. Of course, I love the garlic, and I'm gonna keep doing lots of garlic. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and enjoy this recipe for shoulder lamb chops.